make Handi. They'll put all high ingredients products which I showed you, the spices. These are all high spices. Then after this they'll mix ingredients with onion and they'll prepare what is the charcoal which we made. They'll keep like this and put a close. It's firing now. I think last video I've shown this is a completely natural food, 100 years old Champara chicken and mutton. And this is Champara is a place. This product, the mutton and chicken is famous, and the product which they use mustard oil, everything is high ingredients, costliest product which we buy. So kindly you need to try this. This kind of restaurant never ever in India, in Bangalore, they launched for this. You people need to try the products, the food of this good, tasty. Thank you.